In this video, we'll present you with a short buying guide together with a list of the best paint sprayers in 2021 on the market, just to make your buying decision that much easier. One way to speed up your paint job and make your life easier is a paint sprayer. There are a ton of different paint sprayers on the market, and you'll need to consider a lot of different things when buying one. In this short guide, we've outlined the key features and differences of paint sprayers. Heavy-duty air-driven paint sprayers use high-pressure air from an air compressor to atomize paint or stain and provide a fine finish. Airless sprayers are electric or gas-powered tools that mechanically pump paint or stain into the sprayer, which then pushes the finish through the sprayer tip, where it's atomized and becomes a spray. There are differences in tip size. Most of them indicate the size of the tip opening. For example, a 515 tip measures at 0.15 inches on the opening and sprays paint in a 5-inch diameter. The spray pattern is the shape that the paint sprayer outputs when spraying. There are tools that feature an adjustable spray pattern, which means you can switch from spraying in a round pattern to a horizontal and vertical pattern. There are a lot of different things to consider when buying a paint sprayer, such as a long flexible hose or extension cord, wheels or a carry bag, paint capacity, adjustable pressure, and so on. Whether you're looking for the best of the best or just the most affordable, we'll find the best ones on this list. So if you want to know more and which one will work best for you, stay tuned. If you want to see more details and the newest prices of the products mentioned in this list, check the links in the description below. And now let's begin with the first product. First on the list is the Wagner Flexio 5000 series. When it comes to paint sprayers, every product from the Flexio series is great. We chose the 5000 series because it had slight superiority in most of the tests from the other Flexio products. Plus, it has a very handy feature. The motor box itself is a carry bag for other components. The Flexio 5000 has a nice setup. The sprayer comes with two types of nozzles, one for painting and one for fine finishes. Once you've set up the unit, the power cord comes out of the back while the air hose is out of the front. As with other paint sprayer nozzles, you can set this up to spray vertical or horizontal. All the paint or stain is located in the container, which is directly attached to the gun. This is one of the reasons cleanup is so easy and quick. You can adjust the amount of spray and pattern using the air knob on the gun and also the ring in the front. Using these together allows you to fully control the final finish. The floor standing motor and the 11.2-foot air hose allow you to extend your reach easily and conveniently without carrying the extra weight. The all-in-one unit is self-contained, easy to use, easy to clean, and packs neatly back into the case when you're done. The Flexio 5000 paint sprayer can save you time and give you that pro finish you're looking for. If this is the first time you're visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. At number 2 is the Ryobi One Pro Tip paint sprayer. Ryobi introduces the very first cordless consumer sprayer to use a reversible spray tip. They call it the Pro Tip. The design of the Pro Tip allows the user to rotate the tip 180 degrees to clear clogs quickly and rotate back 180 degrees to continue spraying. You can achieve professional results that you want at a price that's more affordable. The 1.5 quart quick lock container easily locks into place to help prevent spills and allows longer time between refills. Pro Tip is ideal for painting or staining decks, fences, garage doors, cabinets, closet doors, trim, storage sheds, or outdoor furniture. This powerful cordless Ryobi One paint sprayer comes with 3 spray patterns to cope with a variety of surfaces: round, horizontal, and vertical. A flexible intake tube lets you spray at any angle and use the last remaining paint in the container, minimizing wastage. The tool is part of the 50-plus 18-volt One system of tools. However, it is very portable and not tiring to use. It has a nice carrying case and has easy cleanup. Compared with other products at the same price range, this one is a great value. Check the link in the description box for a discounted price on Ryobi's One Pro Tip. At number 3 is the HomeRight Finish Max sprayer. Promised by the manufacturer to make spraying easy and fun, the HomeRight Finish Max is the consummate handheld HVLP, or high volume low pressure machine. With unchallenging operation and a .84 quart cup or 800 milliliter, it's the ideal home toolbox unit capable of addressing small to medium projects. Sure, it won't cope with tackling larger swaths of outdoor areas like fences or house exteriors, but for interior jobs like doors, crafts, furniture, and cabinets, the Finish Max is ideal. One of the premium features of this product is the fact that it uses an adjustable nozzle. Another feature of this product is that it will accept a wide range of paints. You only need to properly thin the mixture so that the nozzle will be able to spray properly. This starts with acrylic paints to the more exotic specialty paints and coatings. You get a good even coat for your paint projects with this product. Just spray one layer and you can expect to see good coverage. This makes an excellent job for the purposes of applying finish on furniture projects. A good economy sprayer, the HomeRight Finish Max is lightweight in both price and actual weight. We highly recommend it for do-it-yourselfers and other smaller projects. We hope you like the selection of our products so far, and if you'd like to see us review other products in this category, feel free to comment below. At number 4 in the category of Best Heavy Duty, we present the Graco Magnum series. Spray like a pro with the Graco Magnum Pro X21 stand airless paint sprayer. Designed with more performance, the Pro X21 is the heavy-duty choice for the handyman, remodeling contractor, property maintenance person, or residential or small painting contractor with frequent painting needs. It's ideal for interior or exterior rental properties and light commercial work. This sprayer comes pre-assembled and is lightweight with simple-to-operate controls and is super easy to use. Cleanup after spraying water-based paints is easy with the power flush cleaning that connects to a garden hose to clean the pump and the air hose with the spray gun in minutes. The Pro X21 has a stainless steel piston pump that improves reliability and duty cycle. It supports a .021-inch tip for spraying heavier materials. Its powerful DC motor supports longer extension cords and up to 200 feet of an airless hose. This machine is hot solvent compatible and handles hot solvents such as solvent-based lacquer. The spray gun is made of metal and is pretty durable. The Pro X21 allows for greater control and less overspray with a wide range of coatings. The adjustable pressure and pattern are parts of its professional features. A quality tool requires a bit of understanding in how these things work, but you can expect great results and excellent finish for your paint job. At number 5 for the best budget is the Tacklife paint sprayer. What we love most about the Tacklife spray gun is the adjustability that's built into the design. Entry-level sprayers give users very few options to control overspray and dripping. With this model, you have valve knobs that allow for precision control over the flow rate. You stay in control of the coating speed. You get to move at your own pace. That means your spray coating can be even and smooth for any project size to create the perfect finish. You're also given a detachable canister and users can directly add paint to get it to work with greater speed. You can open the container cover and add paint without taking the container off all the way, which is a feature that is super nice. This sprayer works great with thinner materials. Latex has to be thinned a ton before it can be sprayed, so you'll have to do more coats of paint on your projects to get that smooth, even finish. What is surprisingly nice is that for its low price, the Tacklife is a great customer support product. Anything that might happen to the sprayer while you're working with it is thoroughly explained on their website. The instructions are pretty good and with pictures. All in all, a great budget product that gets the job done. And there you have it, the 5 best paint sprayers on the market today. If you found the one that meets your needs, check out the links in the description box below and catch it at a discounted price. If you have a product in mind you'd like to see us review in the future, just let us know down in the comments section. If this is the first time you're visiting our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of our future videos. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.